Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and find long-term stays on Airbnb. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer and simply go ahead and search for Airbnb and click on the first link that pops up. Once you've done that, make sure that you are logged into your account, and finally go ahead and select where are you headed to, and now in the check-in dates, simply go ahead into month. So that way what happens is you can simply go ahead and look for the long-term trips just by dragging this right over here. So for example, if I want it for 2 months, and I'm flexible as well, so for example month, and any month is also fine, but this is the best way to search, and simply go ahead and search for it. And as you can see, all the long-term stays are going to be shown. So these are properties with pools, $600, $700, $800 monthly, which are very worth it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.